This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday evening. Hope everyone's had a great day. See what we get tonight. The aftermath of NVIDIA earnings and FOMC meeting minutes. We can see we had a wild day. ES ended up with a 6 to 40, a 43-point range today. Big recovery in the after a big fall. Gapped up at the open, you can see there. NQ had almost its entire range, and hit all-time highs in the last hour. Came down some. 891 is the new high. The low ended it was 684, so over 300 points in range. But the Dow was all sad. Hey, G-Man, how you doing? Gold ended up falling most of the day. Copper. I think this might be the biggest drop I've ever seen in a single day on copper. Now, don't quote me on that because, but that is a 21, 31, 34, 680 tick drop from top to bottom. Crude down as well. Bitcoin's not happy. So we'll see how NQ trades and the NKD trades at the top of the hour. See if we have any news this evening. Nothing really. Right as we're supposed to go off, the Korean interest rate comes out. Hey, Nico. How was your day? The heck am I doing? Hey, Moxie, how are you? And how was your day? Nice. It was your best day ever, G-Man? That's amazing, G-Man. That's awesome. Yeah, you should be very proud of that. And I'm proud of you too, Jamari. You stuck to that plan. I passed the Topstep today. It's my second funded Topstep. Ooh, look at this moving up. We're moving on up. Oh, wait. It's actually moving. This is actually, well, it's not that big. 3 points. I may actually end up shorting this. I'm watching it. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? We're short. And it was stopped out right away. I know the Apex had a problem with Rhythmic. I'm not sure if anybody else did. Yep, they're gonna be doing. Yeah, I guess they beat on their earnings, Jamari. G-Man got the long off the video play. Oh, let's continue to rise here. This is a great move. I played the aftermath of FOMC to get that Topstep funded. I've already gotten stopped out on one short. It does seem a little slow. I mean, it's faster than we've been seeing in the evenings. Slowness. And KD been flying too. Interesting to see if they sell some off at the Asia Open. So I just paid Topstep my activation fee, but I probably won't get that funded account till sometime tomorrow. Yep, I passed the Topstep this afternoon. Yeah, 2 Topstep, 1 Apex. Thank you, thank you. Yep, popping up. Ooh, look at that little pop. So I think what did I say was the high, the all-time high now? 891. We just hit 867. Gold stagnant. Crude still kind of. So just kind of watching it move slowly up. I bet you there's people at like 15,000 NQ that said the same thing. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Still hanging here. 867. 8675309. Hey, Kim. Good to see you. I was wondering where you were. Well, this rise back up to 870. Did you trade it all today, Kim? There's a pullback. Couple points. I passed the Topstep, so I have my second funded Topstep account. And earlier in the day, I was up 300 something on Blue Sky. We're short off this purple candle here. See if we get anything. Where is my stop? There it is. Yeah, watching paint dry. Let's see if it comes down for me. Sitting here watching, waiting and watching. Which way does it want to go? Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching candles form away. Yep. Welcome, everyone. Feel free to help relieve the boredom and talking in the chat. Also, scoring that like button would be appreciated. We might be sitting here until Asia Open with this trade. It's just about back to my entry. Now it's not. Oh, I'm watching. Gold's trying to grind back up after its not so good, very bad day. Gold dropped over 50 points today. Oh, look at that. We're in profit by a tick. We're up one tick. Come on, fall. I'll take 10 ticks. I'm not a greedy ox. Our ATR right now is less than a point on the 15-second. Yeah, I was wondering too. It's why I even, that and the FOMC and all that. So yeah, this is just slow. It's very slow. We'll see what happens when Asia opens. See if they sell off because we are very high. I wish I was high. No, I'm kidding. But so we'll see whether or not Asia sells. Oops. Well, I guess I should have taken the tick. I think Hassan just assured us that we're going to the moon. Pop it up again. Like I said, we might be in this trade until Asia opens. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's what the aliens said too. Definitely slow for the rest of the week, and honestly, the summer is a slowdown period overall. That's why I've been kicking the idea of stopping the evening streams for the summer. Oh, look at that. 5 ticks. 6. 5. 3. 5. Should I take 5 ticks? What, you want me to stream 10 hours every day, Hassan? And then go to bed? If I get 6, actually I'm looking for 8. It did touch 8 ticks earlier, so let's go for 8. There we go. 2 points. I got 2 points. It only took 12 minutes. Son, nobody told me there'd be math. Wait a minute, huh? Times what by 4? I got 40 bucks. Who's getting $160 an hour? Oh, times the amount of time I was in the trade. Okay, I got you. No, it was 8 ticks, 2 points. Not 2 ticks, 2 points. It looks like look at that. I got out at the right time. Wow. Wow, that's on the trading gods were for me. Look at that. I got out right here on this it's just a line, not a candle. And now it's popped back up. California knows how to party. Dark side 184. Yeah, gold kind of like really dropped today. How you doing, dark side? Doing good, thank you. $20 until Asia Open. I think we can all safely take a nap. So remember, we will try and trade the NKD. Ooh, the NKD's made a nicer move down than the NQ did by far over the last 10 minutes. I feel like I should get in that short now, almost. What do you think, Hassan? But we will trade it at the open. Awesome. We find the Topstep account that I want to short NKD on. We'll continue to watch that. Is that good, Jamari? Have a downside target on NKD there, dark side? All right. It's a little hard to trade trail. I mean NKD though because of the way it can, especially this time of night, the way it can like shoot around by a few ticks. All right. We'll see. Hassan. I was thinking short too, but I just again I just play what I see. I don't know. We've been well, I mean we've been coming down. This was actually just a pop up today, so maybe, maybe. We're gonna start a trend here. 5 years from now, the NKD will have more volume than the NQ. NQ's rising back up, rising up. Well, that spike there on NQ. Still heading up. Well, you got 10 minutes, Hassan, or 12. Still rising up, so that was not a reversal there. Oh well, I mean, it just equaled it. Let's see what it does. All right, in case anyone missed it, TradeDay had a Q&A today, and they announced that sometime later in the summer, Q3, they're going to be allowing multiple accounts. If anyone's a TradeDay fan, they not announced Rhythmic. That at least not well. I was getting the information from Greg. He was in there. I'm not sure. Well, I mean, I don't know. Still going up. I've never had a sale on Funded Futures Network. I really do need to figure out a plan to review all these props. I think that'll start helping get more info. I actually have a meeting tomorrow on Zoom with a new prop. FFN right now is actually 35% off and buy one, get one. I have a meeting with the owner or CEO of Legends Trading. Wow, Moxie and Hassan said the same thing at the same time. You were typing the same thing. Hey, Burl, how was your day? Was your algo able to grab anything today? What I like about FFN, and they're the only ones I know that do it, is they have an intraday drawdown, but it's after each trade, not the highest point of the trade. Ooh, sorry to hear that, bro. We are about 5 minutes till the Asia Open. The last sale I know of one up was Black Friday 2022. Although if you've never had one up, I think they have like a 15% discount. 20%. There you go. Hassan has it. Yeah, hold on a minute. You can see here, Burl sent me his chart. Let me find my software. There we go. This is Burl's chart for the day. You can see he entered and got out with just a 2-point loss on what, 1 micro, Burl? It tried to enter again long, and that was about also 2 points, 2.25 with a little slippage there. So it tried, but it cut it quick. Not really. They crypto only. What time frame was that chart, Burl? I didn't look. I already closed it. I bet you 5 minutes. I think he works on a 5 minute. Two-minute? Is that a 2 minute chart? Looks like it says 2 minute. Yeah. Okay, he trades on a 5 minute, but it was 2 minutes to show it. And we're getting ready for the Asia Open. Switch over to NKD. Oh, wow. NKD, nice bounce up. Ugh. What are we ugging, Hassan? Watch NQ here as well. Oh. So NKD heading up. NQ kind of dancing. I'm thinking about it. I kind of like the idea of shorting, but I have top step accounts to like gamble with because I have five. Still have three more evals, and I already have two funded accounts. So it's like I can kind of play with two. Now there is rumor that Top Step's going to be expanding the amount of funded accounts you can have to five, but only if they're Top Step X. But that's just a rumor that I've been told. Well, you know what? I mean, it's hard for me to put down Top Step X considering, I failed all my other Top Steps before this, and I've passed two with Top Step X. Hmm. what had to be recently while you were out, bro? 2 top step, 1 apex. The second top step I just passed today. Ooh, I like that NKD candle. I love that NKD candle. If you had told me 2 years ago, 3 years ago, that I'll get excited about an NKD candle, I would have told you were insane. I was short NKD on a Top Step account with the stop at the high of this candle. Yeah, so far I'm not loving it, but we'll see. I'm loving it a little bit more now. Well, I'm taking an NKD trade, which I don't think your algo covers. I'm really liking this trade. Thank you, Dark Side. Now I have my target in profit, but I don't know how many ticks. $400. I'm 2 ticks away. Do I move it or do I take that? Do I take the? Do I take it there? If it gets there, and now it's pulled back. Yeah, I'm thinking 19K too. So here's this NKD trade. I enter here. You can see it's 2 ticks away from my target, $400 target. You can see how quickly NKD can move. It's $25 a tick. And I've been making bank on it almost every evening anymore. Now, come on, fill me, fill me, fill me. It's on my target. Look at that. There we go. There we go. So, and look at, man, I should have moved. Wow. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, look at that drop. So now I'm thinking, is this going to bounce? Oh, look at that fall. Like everything, Burl. What's what the details are, the fundamentals, the people behind it. Anyway, everyone that said great trade or anything, thank you. I apologize. I'm doing 10,000 things at once, but can you give us any details on that, Burl, besides an investment opportunity? Because I mean, different investment opportunities have different things that you need to ask. Speaking of commitment time, I should have committed more to this. This could have been big time so far. Yeah, what exactly is a trading fund, and why am I crying over missed NKD? I got out at 8:15, and it's down to 690. Oh my god. It's gone more than $500 more into what would have been profit. Wow, you were trailing that tight, Hassan. Nice. I got what's 16? I got 16 ticks. Beautiful job, Hassan. If I keep getting these wins on the NKD, I'll start taking more contracts. I mean, you got to look at their track record, who's behind it, you know what what their success rate is, their rate of return. Still falling. I think I need to cry. Yeah, their growth plan. There you go. I'm sure G-Man might have some thoughts as well. Kind of his area of expertise. Yeah, definitely the people behind it. If they had the last name Madoff, I would stay away. Yeah, volatility would be good to know. I mean, if it's like an ETF, you kind of want to know what the assets are. What, or at least what kind of assets they're trading. I mean, are they trading, tech stocks? Are they trading growth stocks? Are they trading penny stocks? Are they trading Chinese stocks? Or what is their. So NQ kind of came down there with that. I wasn't really paying attention. But NQ made a nice move down too by 10 points. Oh yeah, what's copper doing tonight? Oh, that's right. That was yesterday. That's a nice bounce there on copper. Look at that. Boom. Oh wow, it's a big bounce. Am I reading it right? Let's say this would have been my entry if I was trading copper. Wow, it's moved huge tonight. That's a $750 move there. It's now choppy, but wow. There's the bounce on NKD. Hey John, how you doing? Part of me says I should take this long on NKD. You know, NQ trying to bounce a little bit here, coming back down. I'm gonna have to do a video on an NKD this week. I did take the long. I'm in at 760. Did you do any other trading today, John, or did your algo do any other trading? I'll probably cut it before, but right now my target is at those highs. Needs to get through that that EMA that's sitting there. Yeah, I guess it's allowed to have one bad day here and there. Come on, continue up there. Come on, can it get through here? Can it? 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 It's playing with that EMA. I said that was might be an issue. If it gets through there, it might get back to the highs. Yeah, push, push, push. Yeah, they're doing really well, and all of this without Trey Turner. They're like 13-3 since Turner went down. They have played the easiest schedule in MLB. I will say that. So here's my NKD trade. If I took it here right now, it'd be another $400. Royals, I'm not sure where they came from and why they're so good this year. Ooh, look at this. That's what I just did as well. There we go. Look at that. Come on. I have a Philly game on G-Man. You and CFT are going on Twitter on Tuesday. What time? Oh yeah, the guy who keeps winning World Series. Yeah, that's right. I remember mentioning that the Royals are going to win the World Series this year. Tuesday, 6 Eastern. What's the theme, or what are we talking about? Just anything that comes up. Yeah, John. As long as I can get I have a new phone since the last time I did Twitter Spaces, and so I need to see if I can get my uh, earbuds synced up to it. Yeah, I'll be, as long as I can, I'll do it. You guys know how much I want to take this off the table right here, but yet how much I want to see if it gets up to the where it was. Oh, well, I'll definitely drop the link. In the streams on Tuesday. Remember, Monday there's no stream. Once he gets me the info, we'll get it. Please ignore the messages you're seeing in the bottom left-hand corner of my right-hand corner of my screen. That pulled back now. What are you thinking, Hassan? I guess that answers that question. I kind of have NQ blocked, so I don't know what it's doing. Looks like nothing. So it looks like this is where the action's at, guys. Yep, it's still going. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, Hassan. They wick you out here like around 8:50, or was it earlier? Yeah, it came down, and I asked you what you thought, and you weren't there. So I just left it, and it kept going. I'll be snug in my bed with visions of NKD dancing in my head. Ouch. Ow. Giving back now. Yeah, Son, I was shocked to hear he actually slept for like 2 hours last night. Ah. Also, I'm going to end up giving back half the move if it wicks me out here. That's okay. I'm still happy with it if it takes me out. If anything, I mean, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart there. It's right over here, and it's probably going to come down and then right back up, which means it could give me a blue candle if it does. And it hasn't knocked me out yet. If it knocks me out here, then over the 2 trades, I'll have made $725 on the NKD tonight, which this is not that work for these slow ages. Really kind of hope this spikes back up. But if not, it's okay. How? Come on. Turn around. That's what I'm looking for. You can do it. You know what? I think I have I remember. See if this works. Yeah, it does. There we go. Maybe not. It's not showing everything. All right, never mind. So we're still in. We're going to see if this turns back up. Turn up for what? Ah, knocked out. So there we go. And then knocking me out at 300. So total of $700 on the NKD tonight. So tomorrow morning we can look at what this did, see if it came back down or if it goes back up. Thank you, Kim. Now, once I get comfortable and start trading more contracts, that's going to be really awesome. Yeah. Thank you, John. Thank you, Kim. So there we go. I'm very happy with that. I'm still thinking it might go all the way back up, but we'll see. Cool. Yeah, I was thinking bullish by looking at the because it's come down the last couple days. It started reversing, so see what it does. Okay, guys, for that thing on Tuesday with Burrow and CFT and me, as long as I get my stuff hooked up, or I don't know, I have to look to see if Twitter Space is upgraded where I can use a computer or not. Here is the link. We'll advertise that more over the next couple days. All right. Oh yeah, I like that candle there. Actually, I'm going to save that 700 that I've made on the one account, and I'll go over to a different one. And if I take another long here, I'll do it on that one. Come on in and cover me. Nice, Hassan. Very nice. Ooh, ooh, that would have been bad. No, that was even worse. There we go. Nice. Wait. Oops. Okay. Actually, I just took a trade on NQ instead of the NKD. Getting out of that NQ trade. Yeah, well, yeah, that was definitely. I mean, NK going to the NKD has been absolute way to liven up the evenings. Yeah, I always been scared of it because of that $25 a tick, but I'm really kind of not scared of $25 a tick anymore. Yeah, it's kind of sideways now. Right now, I'm glad I did not get back in. I was thinking about it, but NQ looks kind of ugly now. Gold's been coming down. Oil's coming down. Very slowly though. Those are one tick 5-minute candles. Copper's kind of dying. Everything's kind of dying. Nice. The NQ's popping up. We have just a few minutes left to go. Good stream. And I didn't have anybody attacking my integrity tonight, so I could actually take the trades on the NKD. What happened? Oh, last night. I got attacked because I'm still promoting Apex with Apex having issues. Someone said that it's because I make money on Apex's sales, and if I'm looking more out for my own money than I am for the community, basically. uh, he's been taking digs at me. He used to be a regular on the stream, and I have rules: no politics on the stream. And he brought up a thing was brought up. I asked for it to be stopped. He kept going. His views are different than mine. And this is why I don't want politics, because it just ends up dividing communities. So, and I asked him again to stop. He again wouldn't stop. So I ended up giving him my views on the subject. And he left the stream. He says, "That's it. I'm out of here." He's left the stream, but he'll come into the Discord every few months to take some sort of dig at me for something. Nassan, do you really think that that you changed anything with that word by separating the letters? So, and I think he wants me to ban him, which I refuse to do because I don't ban people I just have a disagreement with, even if they're gonna, as long as they're not gonna come right out and you know call me a major name or whatever. And I think he just wants that. I think he'll if I end up banning him, then he'll run to some other community and say, listen, I got banned for something small, blah blah blah. It happened last night, Burrow. If you remember Dakota, who used to come in the morning streams, he's constantly taking digs at me. And last night he made a major dig at me, saying that because I make money with Apex's affiliates, I'm not willing to go after them for the things that are going on. And it has nothing to do with that. It has everything to do with the fact that I don't think it's gotten to the point that I need to do a Lulu leg video. And I mean, if I dropped Lulu a year before that happened. I saw the red flags. If I ever feel that there's those kind of red flags with Apex, I guarantee you I will, stop promoting them and or do a video. This is the way I am. I don't put money first. So we are just about to end here. I consider this a seriously good night. Uh, the Apex stuff, bro. Uh, Mark John is the Apex second in command. They're Daryl's right hand man, and he's going a little bit off the deep end, being very rude to people, accusing people of being scammers, accused Matt LaRocco of being a scammer. So yeah, there are some Apex issues right now, and we are monitoring them closely. Ooh, look at that little pop there on. Yeah, that's all 2 points. Interesting little pop here right at the top of the hour. But we are. What's Copper doing? Hold on. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a nice move there, Copper. And I'm not sure if you ever noticed, Hassan, but Copper often pops here at 9 Eastern. But anyway, I do want to thank everyone for joining me tonight. We'll talk to you tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Next evening stream will be Wednesday because of Memorial Day on Monday. And we will continue posting that link for the X thing with Burl and CFT and hopefully me if I can get things going. Have a great night, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.